Speaker connector for select Toyota vehicles. Connects aftermarket speakers to the factory speaker harness. Quick and easy installation. No cutting needed. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect match to the Toyota wiring pigtail. These simply made the job of speaker upgrades so easy. The pigtail fit perfectly into the car's plug. And matching the size of each female connector to the speakers eliminates the possibility of improper connections. I use this on my '02 Toyota Camry La. Perfect fit for my 2020 WRX. I decided to upgrade my door speakers in my WRX. This made the swap plug and play. No need to splice wires. It took longer to take the door panel off than to swap out the speakers. I highly recommend the adapter.